Hi again, it's ApriLynn. I'm in the middle of recording a straightening my bangs video, but I wanted to real quick show you the boy. He's drinking water. The little boy. Anyways, real quick show you how I like to tease my roots, especially when I have new growth, to get more volume because I have new growth, or just for fun. My hair is dry. I just haven't scrunched out my crunch yet, so I'm gonna take a brush. This isn't a teasing brush, but I would use a teasing brush. It has like the same teeth as like a teasing brush. There's one at Walmart. I think it's under $10. I'll link it below. I have a teasing brush, but I think it's at my sister's house, so we're using this. This is the scrunch it brush. So before I scrunch out my crunch, this is when I would like to tease the hair. Normally my hair is forward though, not parted. So carefully part your hair, and then take your brush close to the base and then just push down and pull out. But I am doing it before I scrunch out my crunch to so I get the least amount of frizz. I have a little bit of frizz because I was outside and it's raining. So just keep pushing your hair. It'll look a little crazy at the roots. That's why you don't do like the top section, because then you hide it.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front.
And if your hair doesn't hold well, you could use hairspray. My hair holds well, so that's just a little bit, and like way more volume than this side.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front.
And then you just keep doing it till you get your desired look. And then scrunch out your crunch. Should I just do one side so I can show you? I don't know.
But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head.
Be careful with your curls, so you don't want to get too much frizz. Unless you don't care about frizz, then go ham. A little bit more on the top. The more you tease, the more volume you'll get, but also more snarly and frizz. So you just do whatever you feel is your desired look. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna scrunch this. Flatness, not flatness. Should I scrunch this out to see if it looks any different?
goodbye.
Okay, I obviously could do more to get more volume, but this is my hair scrunched out without teasing, and this is it tease. I think this side looks better. It's more lifted and voluminous. So I try not to do the top layer as little as I can with it, because that will hide the frizz the most.
Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love.
You could also do this with picking. I can't find my pick comb. But look it, voluminous, flat, voluminous, flat. My bangs are too long to be straight. I would go with this side. Your hair might be a little bit more snarly to comb it out though. But look at that. That looks good. Let's do this side now.
Let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again.
Push in, push towards your scalp, pull out. Keep doing until you get the volume you want.
Hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into.
And if I didn't have roots, it would be even more voluminous.
That won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
If you had like a texturizing product, put that on your roots too. Yeah, that would give you even more volume. I don't have one though. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. On the top. There we have it, my dudes. This is how I like to get more volume on my roots when I have new growth or when I just feel like it. As I said, normally I have my hair forward, so then it would be even more volume on the top. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls love volume. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye.